What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload and share folders on Google Drive. First, open Google Drive on your browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're on the main screen, click on My Drive in the top left corner. This is where all of your personal files and folders are stored. To keep things organized, it's best to create a new folder for the files you want to upload and share. Click the plus new button on the top left and then select Folder. Give your folder a name and click Create. The folder will appear in your drive within a few seconds. Double-click on the new folder to open it. Now you're ready to upload files into it. Click the plus new button again, but this time choose File Upload. A file browser window will pop up. Navigate to the files you want to upload. Select them and click Open to begin uploading. You will see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once your files are uploaded and inside the folder, it's time to share the folder. Click on the folder name at the top and then click the Share button. In the sharing settings, you will see a search bar at the top to add specific people or groups who can view the contents in your folder. If that's not what you're after, then under General Access, you will see a locked icon with the text Restricted. Click on that and change it to Anyone with the link. This allows anyone who has the link to access the folder without needing to log in or request access. After that, click Copy Link and then click Done. Now, you can paste that link into an email, message or anywhere else to share it. When someone clicks on it, they'll be taken directly to your shared folder where they can view or download the files. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.